Here is the video where I'm going to give you the step-by-step process in manifesting a text from someone specific, and that too within 48 hours. Are you excited for it? Because I want all of you to give it a try. Now this technique works in attracting a specific text from a specific person, and one of the key thing is you must be knowing the person. That is the key. It usually won't work if you don't know the person and you have absolutely no interaction with the person. So I want all of you to try it from someone whom you know, and at a time just focus on one person and one message. That's it. Don't complicate it, don't overdo it. So the first step is choose the person from whom you want to attract. Now this person could be your ex, this person could be your crush, this person could be a good friend, this person could be a family member, this person could be a friend with whom you have a broken relationship, this person could be someone with whom you have a broken relationship and that person has moved on. This could be from someone in your office, this could be from a business partner. So it works for all kind of people. So first step is choose the person from whom you want to attract this text. The second step is decide what exactly you want to attract. What is the message? What is the text you want to attract from this person? Be specific and choose at least one or two lines that you want to attract. But while choosing the text message, do not think anything negative. Like, do not expect apology, do not expect something negative, do not expect someone to confess their mistake, do not expect someone to feel guilty and cry in front of you or asking you for apology, or do not expect someone to fight with you. Because why? When you think about all these negative messages, you create resistance, your focus goes into the negativity. I believe when you desire to manifest this text, you want to create a positive relationship or interaction with the person from whomever you are attracting. So in the second step, choose the statement you want to attract, the message you want to attract, which should be a positive one. Now third step, and I believe you should be doing this technique when you are alone and no one will disturb you and you are in a quiet and peaceful place. So the third step you are going to do is close your eyes and first think of a good moment with this person. So that's why I say you should be doing it with a person whom you know well. So before focusing on the text, in the third step, you first think about this person, try to visualize their face, try to see their face, and think about a good moment that both of you had. Maybe some happy moments, maybe some loving moments, maybe some joyful moments, depending upon the relationship you had. And think about a good moment with this person so that your positive energy will connect with the positive energy of that person. And you drop all your resistance, because if the resistance will be there, then it will be difficult for you to manifest. So that is why we need to think about a very happy moment with this person. And in the third step, when you close your eyes and think about this happy moment, then in the fourth step, you imagine the person sending you that exact text and you are receiving it. Imagine where you want to receive this text, maybe on WhatsApp, SMS, Facebook Messenger, email, Gtalk, wherever you want. You imagine that this person has sent you that exact text and you receive the text and you got a notification, and you imagine that you are reading it, the exact text that you desired. And then you read it once, again read it twice, read it 3 times. So you have to read this text end to end, word by word, 3 times at least. And you should feel joyful while reading it. That's the key. It's like you have been waiting for something, now you got it and you are happy about it. So read it 3 times at least. You can read it more, 5 times, 7 times, 10 times. That's fine. But at least 3 times you imagine that you got the text and you are reading it and you are happy and you are smiling. So the next step is you have to feel that joy, you have to feel that excitement, because you are manifesting a good message from someone specific, someone from whom you really want to attract a good text, or you want to be happy. So when you receive it, you will feel absolute joy, you will be very happy, right? So you have to feel that joy, because feeling is the secret. So reading it and feeling that happiness, so you have to smile while visualizing it. You have to smile, you have to feel that yes, I got it, and like I was waiting for it, and now I am happy. So be in that mode for a while, for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and feel as much joyful as you can. And that's it, it's done. It will take just 5 minutes of time. So you choose the person, you choose the message, close your eyes, remember a happy time with the person, and then focus on, imagine receiving the text, read it 3 times, and then be happy. So you take 5 to 7 minutes creating this whole idea, creating this whole process, and following this technique. Be as much joyful, let the joy sink inside your body, and then you are done. Then you can continue the feeling for some time, or you just wake up and you go and do something else that you want to do. Now, those of you who wants to manifest this text within 48 hours, I want you to do this technique twice a day. One, you can do it right now when you are done watching this video. Second, one more time you can do it at night before going to sleep tonight. Tomorrow you can do it again in the morning or in the afternoon, and one more time you can do at night tomorrow before going to sleep. Now, if you do it really well and the correct way, without any resistance, without any fears, without any doubts, you will be getting the message by tomorrow, within next 24 hours. If you get it, come back and share in the comment section. If you do it for 4 times within the next 48 hours, it's guaranteed that within 48 hours you will be getting the message. So again, I want all of you to come back and share in the comment section. Now, in case some of you may not get it within 48 hours, it means you are carrying some resistance and fears and doubts, and you are not able to feel it. So for all of you, I want to keep practicing it for next few days until all your resistance or fears or doubt will subside, and you really get it into the happy mode, really get it into the joyful mode. Because at the end, in the last step, when you read that text and feel joyful, that is the key. If you are not able to feel it, you need to practice little more. So I want all of you to give it a try, and if you are waiting for this video, if you really wanted to learn this, if you really wanted to give it a try, let me know in the comment section, and I want all of you to give it a try and come back and share your manifestation in the comment section, because this is one of the easiest way to attract a text from someone specific, and you can do it because you have the power. And if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. And if you know someone in your friend circle or family members who is going through tough time in their relationship, then do share this video with them, send them the link, and let them know that now it's their opportunity to heal their relationship.